Hey, welcome back to the channel. Jennifer here. Coming up, I have 3 Kinder Surprise eggs for you, and these are interesting because I believe it's an egg within a bunny, so stay tuned. Let's open chocolate bunny number 1 and see what's inside. Oh, that's a really nice chocolate bunny. Ooh. Inside was this Beyblade Shogun steel spinning top. And there's our 4 that you can collect. This is the Beyblade top that we got. It's really cool because it's really large. You wouldn't expect something that big to come out of a Kinder Egg. And I really like the details on the ends. It's really neat. What do you think of it? Be sure and let me know in the comments below. Here we go with Bunny and Egg number 2. There's our yummy chocolate bunny. I'm going to try and bust this one without it going everywhere this time. There we go. There's our egg. We got one of these cool mix art fellas, and they're neat because you can turn the little critter upside down and use it as crayons, which I will show you now. You kind of have to press pretty hard for these, but it does work and it is cute. On to egg number 3. It's a whole lot of chocolate. I don't know how I'm going to eat it all. Oh, it's some kind of car. Cool. I got this cool sprinty car. I really like it. You can actually pull it back and it goes with rubber band action. And there are more that you can collect. We have gotten some sprinty cars in the past, so I'm looking forward to adding this one to the other ones. I really like the coloring of this car, and it actually came with a sticker decal for the front. Really nice black and red tires. Just really cool all around. Oops. Happy Easter to you. Be sure and tell me who your favorite is below. I think my favorite would have to be the sprinty car. I love that you can pull it back and let it rip, and it's really cool colors. I hope you enjoyed the chocolate bunny Kinder Eggs. They were a nice surprise. And don't forget to rate and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Later, guys.